To fix a Visa gift card not working on your PS5, start by checking the card balance to ensure it has sufficient funds. You can do this by visiting the Visa website or calling the customer service number on the back of the card. If the balance is low, you may need to add more funds or use a different payment method. Next, verify that the card is activated and that you have the correct card number, expiration date, and security code. Check for any typos or incorrect information when entering the card details on the PS5. Make sure the card is not expired and that you have not exceeded the maximum number of attempts to use the card. If you are still having trouble, try removing and re-adding the Visa gift card as a payment method on your PS5. To do this, go to the PS5 settings, select Payment Methods, and remove the Visa gift card. Then, re-add the card by selecting Add Payment Method and following the prompts. Another potential solution is to check the PS5 region and ensure it matches the region of the Visa gift card. If the regions do not match, the card may not work. You can check the PS5 region in the Settings menu and compare it to the region listed on the Visa website. If none of the above steps resolve the issue, contact Sony support for further assistance. They can help you troubleshoot the problem and provide additional guidance on using a Visa gift card on your PS5. Additionally, you can also contact Visa customer support to see if there are any issues with the card itself. By following these steps, you should be able to troubleshoot and fix the issue with your Visa gift card not working on your PS5. Remember to always check the card balance and details, and to ensure the card is activated and matches the PS5 region.